Good morning, Kim. Good morning, Kim Kim. Kim,
Good
good
morning,
morning.
teacher.
How are you today?
I am good.
Okay, that's great. You're good. Okay. So, today I will share to you the screen. Okay, look at this one. We will continue calling and sending.
Yes.
Da, 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 da. Wait me now. What happened? The day. What's up? Wait me, ha. Wait me, Kim, because my mouse is not working properly. Okay, so can you see this, Kim?
Yes.
Okay, so we have here, okay, calling and sending. We are done with this, right? Okay, this is about Charlie. You remember Charlie? Okay, we're done with this. We are finished. Okay, let us move this one. Okay, here. Now, here, Kim, choose words to make the best name for the story. Okay, can you choose the words to make the best name for the story?
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, please just underline. Here, 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 here.
Yes. I think the best name exactly loves uh exactly loves no.
Okay, what is the answer? Okay, just tell me.
Hmm. Hmm.
God.
The teacher, I think the best name exactly loves then rebels
Charlie, losses, losses?
uh loses.
Hmm. Charlie, losses. Okay, Charlie,
Uh,
losses. Okay, first wait me. Who is this story about? This story is about who?
uh,
About Holly. Okay, Holly, right? Okay. Charlie loses, then finds his phone. Okay. Oh, I don't understand this. The answer is, okay, Charlie loses his phone. Okay. Then he loses or
Yes.
finds? Okay, it's the phone. Okay. Now, okay. Now, read the story again. There are 7 things that you can do with your phone. Okay, can you tell me what are the 7 things that you can do with your phone?
Can you repeat again?
Okay, can you tell me, Kim, the 7 things that you can do with your phone?
I can't understand.
You can, okay, example. Phone can be used to call someone. Next, phone can text someone. What else we can use in the phone?
I can speak with my mother, father.
Oh, you can speak with your mom, with your parents. What else, Kim? Okay, you can go online, right? Right, Kim?
Yes.
Oh, using your phone. You can read a mail, right, Kim? You can do a search in the Google or in the YouTube. Do you watch YouTube, Kim? Kim, do you watch YouTube?
Um. Um.
Do you watch YouTube?
Yeah, teacher. I can't understand what you say.
Okay. Another one. Oh, Kim. I said, give me 7 things that you can do with your phone. With your phone, you can do with your phone. First, you can call
Yes.
someone. Okay? You can text
I can.
someone.
Yes, I can call. I can call my parents, my family, and my friend.
Okay, very good. What else? What else, Kim?
Um, mm, um, lúc like my like my heel.
Okay. Okay, what else? Okay, you can do a research, Kim. You can search. You can read ebook. Okay, you can read story. You can listen story in the phone, right? So,
Yes.
so everything we can use phone. Okay, that's easy today. Okay, how to say years? Okay, please look at this. Can you please read, Kim?
Yes.
Okay, please read now. Please read. 4 years up to 1999, we say the year as two separate numbers. Look at how you will read 1973. You will read 1973. So you separate, Kim, 19 and 73. Separate. Okay, you understand, Kim?
Yes.
Okay, from 4 years up to 1999, 1973, 1980, 1990, until 1999. You will read it as two separate numbers. That's why 1973. Okay, when I say, how about this? How you will read how you will read this? Can you read this? The years? Read. How you will read it? Kim.
What else? Can you repeat that number again?
Okay, listen, Kim. Please listen carefully. Okay,
Yes.
4 years, Kim. Years, years. 1999. You will read it separate. Two separate numbers. Okay, like example, look at the example. 1973. You will read, right? Read it as 1973. Okay, look at this. How you will read this? Read.
1973.
Oh, this one, the one I encircled, this one. How you will read?
1973.
Oh, no, Kim. Here, the one ba? This one, I encircled. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Oh, look at this. The one I encircled. Look at the one I encircled. 19?
19.
This one. How you read? This one. Please read. Okay. Please read. Okay, this is clear now. Please read. Let us see if you can read the letters. 19?
1977.
Okay, there is no 1973. Kim, this one, Kim, this one. Look at this one ba? This one. Can you see the screen, Kim? Please tell me. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Oh, what you can see in the screen? 19?
19.
This one. 19? 81. Oh, look at this. The one. Kim.
1981.
Oh. 1981. Okay. The one.
1981.
Oh, good. Another. Oh, I want to hear that you can read. Okay. This one. Okay. Please tell me if you can see what I wrote. Okay, this one. Please read this.
1981.
Okay, that one. How you will read it? Read.
1981.
No, here. Second, another Kim. I write another number. Another number. Look at another number. Can you see, Kim, the screen? Or you did not see the screen? Oh, I will write.
You are start the screen. I can see.
Oh, you should tell me that you cannot see. Because teacher is asking me, he said, say, yes, that one. Can you see the screen or no? Okay, that
Oh,
one. Can you see now?
Now I can see the screen.
Okay, now you can see the screen. Okay, how you will read? Please tell me if you can see. It's very important that you can see the screen. Very important. Okay, here. You will again, we take time, Kim, because he did not tell me. Okay, for years up to 1999, you will read two separate numbers. Two separate numbers. Example, 1973. You will read it as 1973. Okay. Next. Okay. How you will read this?
1973.
Oh, no. Please read this.
1964.
Okay, this one. Read this. How you will read it?
1872.
Okay, very good. So see, next time, please tell me, the teacher, I cannot see. I cannot see the screen. Okay, so next one. Okay, for 2001, okay, for 2001 to 2009, we use the word thousand. We will use the word thousand. So we read 2001. Okay, how about this? It, okay, how you will read it?
2008.
Okay, 2008. Okay. Okay, another.
2004.
Okay. Okay, so here, from 2010, very good, Kim. From 2010 on, we say 20. Okay, example, 2000, this one. Okay, 2011. So we read it as 2011. Okay, it's not 2011, it's 2011. Okay, we read it as 2011. Okay? If it's 2010 up, okay, now it's 2024. How you will say 2024 now? Okay, it's not 2024, it's 2024. Okay, it's 2024. We will read it as 2024, not 2024. Okay?
2024.
Okay, 2000, like 2011. So we read it, we say 20. Only 2001 to 2009, we say 1,000. But 2010 up, okay, we read 20. Okay, this one.
Yes. 20.
20, 20.
2023.
Okay, 2020. Okay, again, for years up to 1999, okay, 1929, so we read it as two separate numbers. But 2001 to 2009, we read it 1,000. But 2010 above, we read it as 20. Okay? Understand, Kim?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now, please, when did these things happen? Okay, please try to choose. Oh, choose here. We have here years. Oh, you try to guess. Guess only guess. Here, okay, example. 19, okay, 1973.
1973.
Okay, you answer here. You write your answer in the box.
Yes.
Punta ka sa Lucien.
Yeah, teacher, I am finished.
We have here. Where is your answer? Okay, it's lost. Okay, 1983 phone. First phone with camera, 2000. Okay. British engineer, okay, 1992. Okay, 1999, 2011. Okay, and in 1994. Oh, very hard to guess, ha? It's okay,
Yes.
Kim Kim. Very hard because I know you're too young. Okay. So now please answer this question, Kim Kim. Please write your answer in the chat box, okay? Please write your answer, Kim Kim, in the chat box. We have questions here. What color of your phone? Where did you keep your phone? Okay, you write in the chat here.
Yeah, teacher. Can I speak?
Okay, you speak.
My phone is black.
Okay. Next, where do you keep your phone?
mm,
Where do you keep your phone?
mm, I keep my phone in my mm, in my bag.
Hey, who do you often call on your phone?
I often call my friend on my phone.
Hey, is the screen big or small?
It the screen is big like that.
Okay. And then, how many messages do you send each day?
Mm, um, I send very much messenger each day.
Okay. How many messages do you have sent each day? 1, 2, or 3 or more?
Um, uh, mm,
How
I
many?
listen 0.
Okay, it's 0. You don't send message each day?
Yes, because I think I don't like music.
You don't send message every day? Do you send or no?
Can you repeat again?
Okay, do you send message every day or no?
I send very much messing every day.
Okay. Okay. Now, okay. Let us give 4 questions about Eva's phone. Okay, we have here. Okay. So, when did Eva get her phone? Can you give questions? Can you write here the question? Example like this. When did Eva get her phone? Okay, it's about Eva, huh? Okay, number 2. What color is her phone? How about this? Can you make a question using the word here? Okay, go Kim.
Um, uh, her phone has big or small screen.
Okay. Over at number 4.
Um, um, how, hmm, how, hmm, how AC often kill.
Okay. Who does Eva often call on her phone? Number 5.
Hmm, where did
Where did?
they keep?
Okay, where did Eva keep her phone? Number 6.
How many missing say send each day?
Okay. How many messages does Eva send each day?
How many times the Eva listen to each day?
Okay. How many tunes does Eva listen to each day? So these are the questions about Eva. Okay. So now, can you answer the question? You write the answer here, Kim. Here, beside, okay? Beside.
When did Eva get her phone?
Oh, you right here. Kim, right here.
Mm, what?
When did Eva get her phone? You find the answer here.
Yes. Eva get her phone about 2 weeks ago.
Okay, what color is her phone? What color is her phone? You look at. What color is her phone?